Well, viewers, you join me with Conrad from Drive Time Escapes. Give him a follow. We are trying each other's cars. Conrad has a quite interesting, for me, Renault Wind. This is the 1.6 variant, and it's the first time I've driven one, so let's see what it's like. So Conrad's here. He's lost the wind out of his wheel. So we've got a new wheel with a bit of wind in, and we'll have him back on the road. Poor bugger. Well, this is the hardest Conrad has worked all year.
Definitely.
See you, matey.
Working off so I don't get dirty.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, he's got some wind now in his tyre, so he's sorted. Well, the wind has been taken out of the sails. We've just had to put the space saver on. So we're here today at Iain Tyrell Classic Cars, and we've brought him something really special today. Not that he's going to come out and see us, because why would he? But this is the Renault Wind 2010 example, 1.6 in lovely blue. And should you buy one? Absolutely. And if you want one, buy this one. This one is for sale. I think they're quite a good looking car based on a Twingo. It's had a bit of a whoopsie there. But inside, you got some lovely leather seats. Are they heated?
They certainly are.
And
there's a switch on the seat somewhere.
Oh, okay. Very nice.
Yeah, somewhere on the side somewhere.
Yeah. But inside, it's all very nice. And I might get my glamorous assistant, as it's not raining, to take the roof down.
The roof down.
Go on, let's see you topless.
Topless. No one wants to see that.
Oh, they do. They do. There's the market for for anything.
So twist. And then
Right. Let's see how quick this will go down.
you got stopwatch on.
I should do, shouldn't I? No, it's fine. It's fine. We'll roll with it. So it's all. Oh, we stopped.
Broken it.
Oh, that'll be. There you go. No, So it's very interesting because the roof does not go into the boot. It folds into this back section. Which is very cool.
Not working.
Okay, well, it would be cool if it worked. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's there. It's there. Look at that. Look at that for speed. And then you've got a very cool little. We'll get Conrad out of the way. He's beautiful, but not as beautiful as the Wind. Look at that. That is a proper little convertible, and with the windows down, that's all right,
There's only one other car that has the roof that folds over like that.
And what's that?
Ferrari.
There you go. This is
A fake Ferrari.
a French Ferrari. Yeah, like it. Well, welcome to this week's episode of Thelma and Louise. Who are you?
I think I'm Louise, aren't I?
Oh, I'll be Thelma.
Okay.
That's fine. Yeah, two big boys in a convertible. Look at us. That's whinging again. The joys you get for not having your seatbelt on. Let's not get taken out by the.
He's not going to sell it if we crash into it, is he?
Whoa! Look at this Mondeo. It's a Kia. Let's not get taken out by a Mustang.
No, that's a nice Mustang as well.
That is nice, that. And what's she called again? Hasbula?
Hasbula, look.
There you go.
Little Hasbula.
Hasbula.
Yeah, that's my brother named him that on the.
I keep wanting to say Habdula.
Is it Habdula? I don't know. It's Habdula.
Now, here's Margaret Thatcher's Daimler 6.
This is nice, isn't it, as well, this Volvo?
The caddy is very cool.
Do you like a caddy?
part next to the Colour Concept TT.
Yes. Wait, it should close.
Right, my go now at a bit of roof action.
It is.
Come on, roof.
It is going. Here it comes.
Here she comes. Oh, we are no longer topless. And there we go.
Twist this to lock it.
Twist it, locked, done. So, buy a wind, buy this wind. And I hope you enjoyed watching the wind. But I'm enjoying watching a TT. But yeah, back to the wind. Do like, do subscribe, and also follow Drive Time Escapes. Thank you very much.